In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Metatrader Invalid account. If you're seeing that frustrating invalid account message in Metatrader, don't worry. It usually comes down to a small mismatch in your login details or the server you're connecting to. I'll walk you through a clear, practical sequence you can follow inside Metatrader so you can get back to trading quickly and confidently. Start by opening your Metatrader application. Give it a moment to load fully so all panels and menus are ready. This ensures that when we navigate to the right place, everything responds as expected. Having the platform open and steady is the foundation for everything we do next. Once you're in Metatrader, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. This is where your account access controls live. Click that profile icon to bring up the login interface. This hub is useful because it centralizes your sign-in and account management so you're not hunting through multiple menus. Now, try logging in again carefully. An invalid account error is often just a typo. Double check your account number and your password, and pay extra attention to capitalization. If caps lock is on, it can flip a correct password into the wrong one immediately. Make sure you enter your account number exactly as provided without extra spaces or missing digits. If you copy and paste, look out for invisible spaces at the start or end. Also remember that your login is typically a numeric account ID, not your email. Taking a few extra seconds to ensure accuracy here can solve the issue right away. If you can't recall your password or suspect it's not correct, use the Forgot Password option. Clicking this will guide you through a reset process provided by your broker or through the platform's linked recovery flow. Follow the instructions carefully and set a new secure password. When you create a new password, keep it somewhere safe and only use it within the Metatrader login box. After resetting, return to the login screen and try again with your updated details. If the error persists, move to the Accounts section in the platform. In the Navigator panel on the left, you'll see an Accounts area where your demo and live accounts appear. Right-click on Accounts. This context menu is the quickest route to the login controls we need, and it ensures we're logging in at the platform level rather than just through a profile overlay. From that right-click menu, choose Login to Trade Account. This opens the dedicated login dialog. Here, you'll see fields for your login, password, and server. Enter your account number in the login field and your password exactly as set. If there's an option to save the password securely and you're on a trusted device, you can enable it to reduce future errors. The key part, though, is the server selection. Make sure the server field matches the exact server name provided by your broker. This is crucial. Many brokers have multiple servers, often different ones for demo and live accounts, and sometimes several live servers distinguished by numbers or region tags. If you choose the wrong one, Metatrader will refuse the connection and throw that invalid account message even if your number and password are perfect. Compare the server name character for character with the details from your broker or your account confirmation message. If your account is a demo, ensure the server is a demo server. If it's a live account, select the live server listed for your specific account. Once everything matches, confirm the login and let Metatrader connect. To recap, open Metatrader, head to your profile icon, re-enter your details carefully while checking caps lock, use Forgot Password if needed, right-click the Account section, choose Login to Trade Account, and verify the server is exactly correct. Follow those steps methodically and you'll resolve the invalid account error in most cases. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back online smoothly.